And this reminds me of something just now that I used to be wondering at the beginning, why just can't make it, it's the easy cut, shortcut, which is, when your son is born, and we believe son of the daughter, but some scholars it's only the son, that you cut his hair, okay, on the 7th day. When you cut his hair, you take the hair and weigh it. And then the equivalent of that, you give in silver. So if I calculate mathematically, even if this boy's hair is as long as this table, 2 meters or something, okay, I'm gonna weigh it, it's not gonna be more than 50 grams maybe, maximum. It can't be 50 grams, 100 grams, it's a lot. So the hair of the baby is gonna be what? 3, 4, 5 grams, 10 grams, something like this. So why not just skip the whole thing and I just pay sadaqah without weighing the hair? No, this is the Shari'a, you see. You cut the hair, you take it to the person who weighs, and he weighs it for you, where this very delicate scale of the goldsmith, they get, it goes about 10 grams. I remember my son's daughter's about 5 grams, 10 grams, and that's it. How much is that in silver? Now, if I know that and I give more, no problem. But not to take a shortcut, not to take it, because the benefit of it is that you are doing what the Sharia is telling you to do. Number 2, imagine how many people are gonna see that hair, even the golden man, the gold man, he sells gold. Yeah, you had a baby, isn't it? Straight away, you say, this is there. You had a baby. Yes, yeah, he puts it there and he puts it in 10 grams, 20 grams. See, wallahi, the sunnah spreads like this. I remember a non-Muslim, never mind a Muslim, non-Muslim, who you normally used to, for example, want to slaughter an udhiyah, we go to him, he's got a farm. He's a non-Muslim. Wallahi, by Allah, I phoned him and said to him, I've got a friend, he wants to come to you, he wants for aqiqah. He said, yes, he can slaughter it maybe the 7th or the 14th or the 21st. Wallahi, like that. So he knows he could slaughter the 7th or the 14th or the 21st. I said to him, okay, no, let me just correct your information. You know more than maybe lots of Muslims about this issue. The sunnah is the 7th, but if he missed, then the 14th. It's not an option to choose the 14th or the 21st. If he missed the 14th, then he goes to the 21st. So it's not from the first day, I don't want to do the 7th. No. Oh, I see, I'm going to update my information. So update the information regarding this issue, but not making the tawheed in the Islam. Wallahi, he knows the 7th and the 14th and the 21st. So look at that. This makes him maybe think later on, these guys, subhanallah, they are really keen to do the 7th and the 14th, the 21st. So that will maybe a door for him to embrace Islam. So I said, going back to my here, is that you implement the Sharia. You implement the Sharia. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will put you barakah. So don't preempt Ramadan by a day or two. And don't say, I'll just make a ihtiyat precaution. So there will be sighting, khalas, no sighting. Because you're going to add 2 days before that, there's no sighting. And look what they're going to lose. First thing you lose, what the Prophet ﷺ had taught us, to sight the moon. Allahumma ahillahu alayna bil yumni wal baraka. When you see the hilal, Rabbi wa Rabbuk Allah. That's the dua when you see the hilal. Tfaddal.